Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa, and this is my backyard. Happy 4th of July. It's Independence Day today. Happy birthday, America, and happy birthday to every American from the East Coast to the West Coast, from the Gulf Coast to the Canadian border, Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, U.S. Virgin Islands, all of you. So I also want to extend a happy 4th of July and a thank you to all of our men and women in uniform who are stationed someplace outside of our country, and even to those of you who are stationed here in the United States. Maybe you're stationed at a base or something like that, and I want to thank you also for your service and for serving our country. And also, I want to thank the men and women who are in uniform, wearing a badge, patrolling our streets and keeping us all safe. That's what America is all about, and America is what it is because of all of you. So I want to thank everybody. I hope everybody else has a very happy 4th of July, a safe one. And I'm not going to, as I said, I'm not going to really do much along the lines of model building today. As a matter of fact, I'm going to have a full house here in a little while, so no workshop time today. But I think I am going to upload a video tomorrow, getting back to the usual format. So from me and Papa's Model Workshop, I wish all of you a very happy and safe 4th of July.